This week I made a lot of progress. First, I added particles, so I can break things and explode the object as particles. But since time can be rewind, particles can also move back in time. As you can see now, I can move back or forward in time, and particles are rendered properly. Next, I started using the teleport method that I created a few weeks back, and now I can enter buildings or move through different places in any world or map. In this case, I only need to go up to enter the building, and the same for leaving it. There will be ways to save people in the village and other parts of the game, and you will get some rewards for that. But you will need in some cases find objects or be stronger to open this shell. And next, I spent a few days last week drawing new actions, and in this case I wanted to add a spin kick while jumping, so let me show you the workflow I use to draw and implement any action in the game. First, I draw each frame in draft mode, just to see how the motion will be. Then export the draft into the game and adjust the animation as needed. As you can see now, still there are many mistakes and dimension issues, but that doesn't matter much. The first objective is to feel the motion, so I can fix it after the intro. Welcome back. If you are new to the channel, I make games, and you can download many of my games from the link in the description below. Now I can adjust the dimensions and movement, but this time I will be adding also a new layer on top to add smears. Smears are those long lines of colors that you can see while I'm drawing them. There are many ways to create those and are produced to fake motion blur. It is a way to convey motion. Smear frames do not look good when you look one frame at a time, but when you see those in motion, our brain fill up the missing parts without even noticing, giving a very fluid motion, even if the number of frames is not enough. But still with it, you need to have very good key poses, so your brain can see those at the exact moment, so your mind can fill up the remaining part. So I had to add new keyframes, so I can feel exactly when the character turns around to do the kick. Without the exact frame, the illusion of motion breaks. As you can see now, jumping and doing a tornado kick with smears give a sense of fluid motion. You can create similar effects by drawing many more frames or by faking it using smears. There is no exact playbook that will tell you exactly how to draw smears and the type of smear that you need to make. This depends on the type of game or drawing you are making and the feeling you want the audience to feel. Sometimes it may be difficult to precisely time your smear. In my case, the duration on each frame is based on time, so frames can last longer or shorter depending on what I want the player to feel. And that's it for this week. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And even if you do not have anything to say, just adding a simple comment like smear will help with the algorithm. If you want to support my work, please click like and subscribe and click on the notification bell so you do not miss my next update. Thank you so much for watching my journey. See you next week.